Hi, I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in Bitcoin in 99 seconds. Following the hashtag delete Coinbase campaign we reported on last week, the exchange announced on Monday that it will fire all former The Hacking Team members it hired recently. These members were involved in selling malware to governments prior to starting a blockchain analytics company, which Coinbase acquired. Contributing to Binance Coin's rise, Binance Exchange announced that Argentina's government will match investments into a blockchain accelerator program run by Binance Labs. It's a sign of the state's positive approach to crypto. OneCoin Ponzi scheme mastermind Konstantin Ignatov was arrested at Los Angeles International Airport. Ignatov ran the OneCoin Ponzi along with his sister Ruja, who remains at large. OneCoin launched in 2014 as a supposed cryptocurrency, although no code or blockchain was ever released. The scam took in over $3.5 billion, of which $1.2 billion was apparently recovered by prosecutors. The UN released a report accusing North Korean cyber forces of stealing roughly $670 million in crypto through hacks and ransom demands. The report covers the period of 2015 through 2018 and reveals 5 Asian crypto exchange hacks and cyber attacks on banks. And finally, Fidelity Investments, one of the world's largest financial service providers, revealed the launch of its digital asset service. The service holds and facilitates trading of crypto assets. So far, it's only available to a limited group of institutional investors, but plans are to support further institutional clients. That's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. See you next week.